Okay, let's find some questions using STAAR Test Maker. In order to do this, you're going to want to go into Euphoria and log in. Once you log in, you're wanting to go to Aware, then Test, and then create a new test. When you create a new test, you want to create a blank test and do Next. Title it. You can title it whatever TEK you're working on. And then you need to pick your grade level. Then we're going to select course. And now you're done. So now you've created a blank test, you just don't have any questions. Under the general info, here's where you can change the name of the test if you wanted to change it, change the type of the test, and then the percentage for satisfactory and advanced. The curriculum is going to tell you what you've already chosen. There aren't any questions. This is where we're going to work in just a second. And then the advanced is where has the information for printing and stuff. For questions, in order to add questions to your test for whatever TEK you're wanting to work on in class, you're going to go to Search Item Bank. When you get here, it's going to look like nothing's happening. I like to choose the blue arrow. You can type in words up here, or you can type in the TEK number. I just always click on the blue arrow and scroll down to the TEK that I'm wanting. Then over here is how you can modify your search. You can modify it by difficulty, objective. We're just going to do it by banks right now. You have your TEKS item bank. This is where I make the benchmarks from. The TEKS resource system. These have all of your C-scope question tests. And then now we have the STAAR Test Maker. So if you choose STAAR Test Maker and search item bank, you're going to see that we have lots of items to choose from just for this one TEK. Now this blue arrow here, if you want to click on it, it previews the question. So you can see the graph, you can see the question and the answer choices. If you click on this page right here, it gives you the directions. The circle graph below shows the percentages of paint color, and it just kind of gives you an overall what the question is if you're wanting to look at it before you place it on the test. The green plus sign, if you want to add them to the test, you just click on it, wait a minute, and hit close. And now those questions are all on your test or on your worksheet or on your activity, whatever it is that you're using this for. You can use it for small pull-out groups, what have you. Then you just click Save, and you've created your resource. One other thing that I'd like to show you is you can search by keyword. So say you are wanting to do something on proportions, you can click up here, type in proportions. You can't search by item bank, or you can't search by a specific bank when you do a word. It's going to pull up all of the banks and all of the problems, so you can see that here you have lots of TEKS bank questions to choose from just based on a word search. And then you have a couple of TEKS resource. I would see the word choice being used more often in English language arts or social studies and science than in math, but it is another option for you that I wanted to show you. I hope this helps you create more resources for you in the classroom and give you more STAAR related questions. Let me know if you have any questions.